Hello traders, just want to talk to you a little bit about what's going on with gold. As you can see here, we've had a major test down to about 1634, 1635 area. From there we got hit some support. Buyers have been trying to take it up past this resistance at 1670, but it is not happening. And we have very weak buying in these last few days, as you can see by the drop off in volume. In fact, we've hit our high volumes on the open only. We have very low volumes into the close of the market. It's not looking good for gold. So looking at the support line coming in around 1648, I'm looking at a short off of 1643 to hit this first supporting trend line around 1627 to 1620, and then looking for a further bounce down to about 79 to 80 if we get a sell-off. It might not happen tomorrow, but looking for it to happen into this weekend. This very weak pattern is appearing in the gold futures. Let me just take and zoom in here so we can see this area. Notice that we've got mostly wicks on these candles, with most of our real price showing sellers in control. So we shall see what happens with this tomorrow. Looking probably for a break of the support, not tomorrow, on Friday. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. You notice here we've come back down to this area of support where we had the previous break, and we are testing down. There is not much commitment to keep this going up, but on the light volume we have not breached these lows. So this could act as support. Now, depending on what happens in the bond markets, we could have extra inflow into the equities markets, which will push this back up in the target of 1416. This is the point of control I'm looking for so that we can get to highs around 1440, 1460. I'm looking for that in the next 3 to 5 sessions. We'll see what happens. If we look at the S&P eminis along with the euro and the dollar index, you'll see that for a little while here, the S&P 500 was hand in hand with the euro on this bullish move, and it looks like we're about to decouple again. And if we get a break of $1.32 per euro, if it breaks to $1.32 on the euro, I'm looking for the dollar index to break this resistant trend line and head back to an area of around 80.50. This would push up. This would give us the support that I was mentioning earlier to take us to the new highs. So we'll see. If we do break the support of around 1386 and a quarter, looking for a decoupling. There is resistance here, but I am looking for decoupling in the euro again, just as it did here. It decoupled on this move here. On this move from here down, the S&P 500 decoupled, and then once it hit that support, again moved with the euro. So I think we're looking at it to decouple again. If we break this supporting trend line on the euro, watch it breach that supporting trend line and then decouple here, maybe a small test down, and then a move up to new highs. So I hope that helps. Good luck trading tomorrow. Trade what you see, keep your eyes open, and remember, never listen to the gurus.